Is your PS4 throwing a cannot continue using the application error and ruining your gaming session? Let's troubleshoot this annoying issue, starting with the most basic fix: a simple restart. Fully shut down your PS4, wait a minute, and then power it back on. Sometimes a simple reboot clears up temporary glitches causing this error. If restarting didn't work, the next step is to check for a system software update. Navigate to Settings, then System Software, and finally select System Software Update if an update is available. Install it. Outdated software often leads to application errors. Still facing the problem? Okay, let's verify the game data integrity. Highlight the game causing the error from the home screen or game library. Press the Options button on your controller. From the Options menu, select Check for Update first. If that doesn't work, choose Check for Integrity, which verifies files are not corrupted. If you are still stuck, it's time for a more advanced solution: rebuilding the database. Power off your PS4 completely. Press and hold the power button until you hear 2 beeps. This will launch safe mode. Connect your controller via USB. In safe mode, choose the Rebuild Database option. This process scans your drive and reorganizes your PS4's data, which can fix corrupted files. Be patient. This might take a few minutes, and hopefully, it resolves the error so you can get back to gaming.